we're going to look at cross multiplying and reducing fractions. So just getting comfortable with how to do that, if that's a trouble area for you. Okay, so we start off, we have an equation x over 5 equals 9 over 15. Okay, so if we see something like this, then it says solve for x. What is that we're supposed to do? So this is cross multiplying, right? Which means we're going to multiply those two things into each other, right? So 15 times x is 15x, 9 times 5 equals 45, right? And from here, get rid of that 15, divide each side by 15, x equals 3. So that's how we go about solving this, right? When you see something like this, you got two fractions and you got a variable in there, cross multiply and solve. Okay. We also have reducing fractions. So what if we see this, right? And so this can be a straight up question, or it can be that you solved it and they say you want it fully reduced, right? So you have 25 divided by 80, right? And can that be reduced anymore? So what you're looking for is, can you divide a certain number by the numerator and also by the denominator, like the same number? Okay, so in this case, you can do that with a 5, right? 5 divided evenly both into 25 and into 80, right? So if I do that on each side, right? Divide each side by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 80 divided by 5 is 16. And our fully reduced answer would be 5 over 16. Let's do another one. So really, it's just getting comfortable with what number you can divide each into, right? So it might take a little bit of practice. 18 over 60, right? So as we look at that, what number works for both of these, right? And generally speaking, if you don't know, well, you start with 2, and just work your way down until you find a number, right? If that's the question, is you know that there's a number, and it's not going to be like 13 or something, right? It's going to be, so 18 divided by 2 is 9, 60 divided by 2 is 30, so we could do it that way. In fact, let's go ahead and do that, right? So if we divide each side by 2, we get 9/30. Okay, surely we're done now, right? And looking at this, 9 divided by 30, could I divide that anymore? 9 divided by 2, no, that doesn't work, right? That's not an integer, because it equals 4.5. What about 9 divided by 3? Yes, that works. 30 divided by 3. Yes, that's 10, right? So this can actually be reduced to 3/10. Okay. Now, as we look at this though, 18 divided by 60, so we could have just divided by 6 at the beginning, right? Because we divided by 2 and then we divided by 3. But if we divided by 6, that would have got us to 3/10, just a little bit faster, but really gets you the same answer. So whichever way is more comfortable is good for you.